Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub, and today the topic which I am going to discuss is about number system. So now when we are talking about number system is a very important subject, or you can say it's a very important chapter. In many schools and colleges, the number system chapter is there in computers. So when we are talking about number system, so number system is basically of four types. Firstly, I just want to tell you that there are four types of number system, and the number system means that which kind of number system we are dealing with. So first of all, there is binary number system. Then comes the decimal number system. Then octal and the hexadecimal. So the order is not mandatory, like it depends whichever order you can take, but order is not important. But there are four kind of number system. So the decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. So these are the four different types of number systems available. Now when we are talking about a computer, so what does computer understand? Computer always understands binary number system, because computer only understands the machine language. And binary number system consists of basically two numbers only. Bi means two. Okay, bi means two. So binary number system is binary because it is having two values only. So 0 and 1 are only two values which the binary number system contains. When we are talking about decimal number system, it is having dec. Dec means 10. So because it is having dec, that means it will be containing 10 numbers, but those numbers will be starting from 0 to 9. So it will be containing numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, so binary means 2, that's why it's having only two numbers, and in computers the number always starts with 0. Okay, and the binary number system is the number system which actually the computer understands. Then how it understands whatever we write, that we will be discussing in another video also. But yes, here we are talking about the types of number system. Now coming towards the octal number system. So octal is having oct, and oct means 8. So octal number system is actually having 8 numbers, and these are 0 to 7. So the octal number system is having the numbers from 0 to 7. And when we are talking about the hexadecimal number system, so the hexadecimal number system is having hex for 6, and decimal, that means dec for 10. Decimal number system was 0 to 9. So hexadecimal is basically 16. So 6 plus 10, that means total 16. So it is having total 16 numbers, and those numbers are from 0 to 9, and plus, you can say plus A to F. So this way hexadecimal number system is containing the numbers. Now here A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14, and F means 15. So basically these A to F are the values which lies between 10 to 15 only. 16 is not included because the number system is actually, this number system is starting with 0. So 0 to 9, that means 10 digits, plus A to F, that means A is 10 and F is 15. So I hope this much is clear, that how many number systems are there. And the number system is basically the system in which different kind of number systems are dealt, different kind of number system we deal with. So 4 are there, and there are different kinds of conversions. So I am just going to discuss this 4 type of number system once again in detail. Now firstly, let's talk in detail about binary number system. So as we have already started with the binary is bi means 2. 2 means it is having two numbers, that is 0 and 1. So the binary number only contains 0 and 1, and the base of binary, base, or you can also call it as radix. So you can call either base or you can call radix. So these are both same things, but these are the two different names for the base of any number system. So the binary number system is having the base 2. Okay, so suppose the base of radix of binary number system is 2. And suppose I am having a binary number 101011. so the base will be 2. So here you can see like the base is written like this, so it should be a bit smaller. I just wrote it to show you clearly, but yes, this way we write. And the binary number system can contain only 2 numbers. That means you can see the example that it is having all the combination of 0 and 1 only. So here the combination is only of 0 and 1. So examples could be anything, but yes, it will always be containing only 2 numbers, that is 0 and 1. So this is about binary number system, that binary number system is always having 0 and 1, only 2 numbers combination values would be there, and the base or the radix of binary number system will be 2, because it contains only 2 numbers. Why 2? Because it contains only 2 numbers, and whatever would be the value, it will be always having a combination of 0 and 1. So this could also be a binary number, but it is not 10, it is 1 0. Now talking about the second one, octal number system. So in detail I am going to discuss this right now. So now octal number system is basically having, oct means 8, is having 8 values. It is having 8 values. 8 values means the values will go from 0 to 7. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are the only values which octal number system can contain. Now octal number system is having 8 values, that's fine. It is having values from 0 to 7, that's fine. Now coming towards that, what would be the base, or we can say what would be the radix of an octal number? That will be 8, because it is containing 8 digits, that's why it would be 8. And if we see an example, so like you can say 66 and the base 8, so it is an octal number. Now if I am taking 67, it can also be octal. If I am taking 81, is it an octal number? No, it cannot be octal, because we do not have 8 in the range of octal number. The octal number can contain only the combinations having these numbers. So the numbers like 8 and 9 cannot come in the octal number. So this cannot be an octal number. Okay. So like whatever you take, 101 can also be an octal. Or you can say 21 can also be an octal. That means like whatever value you like, you can take, that is another thing. But yes, you cannot exceed this limit of 0 to 7. Like 8, 9 you cannot count, or you cannot take in any value which considered as octal. So the octal number is this much. Now the next one is decimal number system. Now I have already told you that the decimal number system means it is having dec, that is 10 values. So decimal means having 10 values. So the values in the decimal number system would be from 0 to 9. That means it can contain a range of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these will be the values in decimal number system. The base or the radix, you can say, is always 10 when we are talking about decimal number system. And if taking an example, so 101 can also be decimal number. It depends on the base. Like this base, whatever we are writing here, if I am writing 101 and I am writing 10 here, so it is decimal. If I am writing 101 and I am writing 8 here, that means it is octal. If I am writing 101 and I am writing 2 here, so that would be a binary number. So the number whichever we are taking, it is always considered with the base whichever we are writing. Now it comes that when we are talking about the normal numbers which we are working with in our daily lives, what type of number that is. So you can just comment your answer or your guess in the comment section. But yes, that is the decimal number. So whatever we are doing in our daily lives, whenever we are using some numbers, we are having our currencies or anything, that is always the decimal number system. So decimal number system is basically always universally used. Either you talk about the computer system, or you talk about any real life things. But yes, the decimal number system we use in computers also, but it does not mean that computer understands the decimal number system. Computer always understands only binary number system. So like talking about good examples of decimal, so like this can be a decimal number system, 98 can be a decimal number system, 45 or 450 could be a decimal number system. This could come in the decimal number system. Any value you can take which is having the value ranged in 0 to 9 can be in decimal number system. So I hope decimal number system is clear. Now we will talk about the hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number is the very interesting number system. Like, it is having 16 values just because of this hex. Hex means 6 and dec means 10. That means 6 plus 10 equals to 16. That's why the base or radix is 16 in the case of hexadecimal number system. So what is basically base or radix? Base or radix is the number of values which is coming in or which is considered in any particular number system. So in the hexadecimal number system we have 16 values, and what will be the values in hexadecimal number system? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then A, B, C, D, E and F. So these are the values in hexadecimal number system, and the values of A, B, C, D is A equals to 10, B equals to 11, C equals to 12, D equals to 13, then E equals to 14 and F equals to 15. So you can see from 0 to 9 till 10 to 15 are the values, because we are having 0, we are having 0 here. So that's why, because it's containing 0, so it will be going till n minus 1. What is n? N is basically the number of elements or in the base. So n minus 1 means last number, the total number minus 1. That means last will always be less than total. So that's the thing, like 0 to 15 we are having the values, but we cannot write 15 there. That's the point. So talking about the example of hexa, so suppose we are having a value 101, that's fine, we can write it 16, that is hexadecimal. Suppose we are having 89, that could be 16. But if we are having 15 and 4, maybe, like you will understand that how this 15 and 4 is coming. It's not 154 actually. So these kind of things can also be written as, can not also, but actually it has to be written as this. So F4 or AD6. These are the examples, different examples of hexadecimal number system values. But don't worry, we will be discussing different kind of number system conversions, because whenever you are having number system in your course, so this is not all. This is only the introduction of number system, that how many type of number systems we are having. The next thing which I will be discussing in the video, that would be the conversion of the different number systems. So stay tuned. See you in the next lecture.